think to the left. To the left or to the left? Casino. Ay, ito, mall. This is Resorts World. Could you jump your bed? The Resorts World. I think I'm starting to get hungry. Sabi ko dun sa lalaking security. So, tinanong ko yung babae, di ba? Sabi ko, meron ba kayong printing paper? Philippine money po. Opo. Meron naman po, sir. Okay. Tapos sabi ko sa lalaki, bakit kailangan mo pa akong papasukin para tanungin kung kailangan ko kung may Philippine money na 20? Ay, sorry po, sir. Kasi sabi ko, okay lang. Yun lang naman tanong ko eh. Kung may Philippine money na 20 pesos paper. What is this? Ang ganda ma, oh. Garden of Longing. What does it do? Oh, you stay there and then you'll be like by yourself. Huh? You stay there. Ay, casino rin. Yun ba yung mall? O sa taas. Ah, shops, ma'am, upstairs. There.
You sweating again? Yeah. Sabi ko mga anak ko. In Palawan yan.
Madali naman pumuti yan.
I wanna watch it.
Nako, sinabi ko na nga ba eh. Narinig mo na naman sa ninang mo eh.
Cine here is not our option.
You heard it from your ninangs, so it's not... Ninang ng bayan na yun.
Sa MOA tayo mamaya? Ayun. There's a lot of arcade in MOA. So you ask your Nina. While me and Ate Nika go shopping and
Kung makakarating sila ni Kang ngayon na, kasi ngayon na tayo alis eh. Gutom na ako, ikaw. Para makakain tayong seafood.
naka-on yung phone mo, baka tumawag sila.
Ito yun oh. Ito, this one here. Why are you disconnected?